Yo, what is going on, guys? Today we have a Kabosu update. Ever since I posted this thing, I posted it yesterday right after it came out. I bought in. I've 8x my money, but I posted about it when it was about 12 million market cap. Since then it has skyrocketed. We're gonna take a look at or discuss the AMA that just happened, take a look at the market cap, the holdings, and what the chart's looking like. And I'm gonna show my balance for the first time in this. If you guys are new, make sure to drop the subscribe button, hit a like, comment down what you're invested in. If you want to find more investments like this, go ahead and follow my TikTok. That's where I post all of these right away. On YouTube, it takes kind of longer to post videos. But today, coin market cap listing in 24 hours.
Hey, no other coin has done this before.
Never. This is a record setter. No other coin has been put on coin market cap in 24 hours. No other coin. Like, let me show you. We go over to PooCoin. I'm going to show you how many holders we have in just 24 hours. Okay, my balance is 21,000 right now. It's at 736. The dips are going like this. It's crazy. Like, look at this on the chart. Wild. Alright, so we come over here to PooCoin, click info. Market cap is 72 million. I notified you guys when we were at 12 million market cap. So you would have 6x your money already if you just listened to the man. Alright, actually don't listen to me. You'll probably lose a lot of your money. But if you want to take a chance on it, scared money don't make money.
Not financial advice.
I'm not a financial advisor. Definitely not. Alright, so we come over here to holders. Oh, we actually just passed 50,000.
Really?
So 50,000 holders in 24 hours. If you guys don't know, SafeMoon took like 20 days to get 40,000 holders. 15 days to get 40,000 holders. We're at 50,000 in one fucking day.
We're going parabolic. She's going crazy.
Like, guys, if this can reach a billion market cap, which is definitely under SafeMoon, but it would be what, 12x from where we are right now. I would have 12x my money. $250,000 is what I would have.
Buy that shit, man.
Yeah, that's all I gotta say is buy that shit, dude. I watched some dude put $400,000 into this when I was at work earlier. He doubled that shit so fast. Within 2 hours, he became a millionaire. I mean, he's probably already a millionaire if he's dumping 400K into a random shit coin, but damn, he made $1 million that fast. And you can too if you invest in it. I'm kidding, you definitely won't make $1 million, but you'll probably make a good bag. In the AMA today, they mentioned how they're doing an ecosystem of new coins. So I'm guessing they're gonna make a bunch of coins and then put them all together, and then they're all just gonna skyrocket. So make sure to join their Telegram. So if we take a look at their website, just go to CoinMarketCap, type in Kabosu, and then you can come down here, copy the code if you want to buy it, or you can click on their website. Takes you right over here, and this is how you will join the Telegram. Telegram almost has 20,000 members. Everyone's just going crazy. You guys, if you're gonna buy in, you need to join the Telegram. But when you're on the website, just come down here, click on Telegram. Make sure to go follow their Twitter, tweet about Kabosu token to make this go viral. You'll make more money as well. They just came out with a Discord, so if you want to join that, join it. I'm not even going to join that one because I never go on Discord. The AMA was very, very good. I believe the dude handled it pretty professionally. He actually got to talk to him, so that was cool.
I did, and then it was pretty much because there was like a problem with like selling. I mean,
now, PancakeSwap has just been fucked up all day. I'm sure you guys have experienced it. If you're trying to buy something, you can hardly do it. If you're trying to sell something, you definitely can't do it. You gotta fuck around with PancakeSwap like 10 times, do a bunch of transactions, but I believe it's getting better. I almost have 300 billion tokens now because so many people, so many whales were dumping like 80, 100, 50, 20 grand. So I was just getting loads and loads of token. We're almost back up to $22,000. At the peak, I was at like $27,000, $28,000. what, one altcoin keeps coming in my mentions. I feel like when I tweet this, it's going to go crazy. Dude, Sam Pepper does not have, like, yeah, he has 700,000 followers, but
I just seen it in the Telegram.
I mean, if KSI got into it, then it would really blow up. KSI has been getting into the fucking shit coins. If you're a grandpa Bitcoiner out there, you need to get into this shit coin. Speaking of that, I gotta make a TikTok about that. I had a good idea. If you guys aren't following me on TikTok, in the description, go do that. I'm almost at 300K on there. Let's get me to 300K. Let's blow up Kabosu. We're going to the fucking moon. That's been the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you have a good day. And peace out.